Mahabharata. Are you ready to embark on an epic journey through time and wisdom? Join us as we delve into the timeless teachings of one of the most revered epics in history, the Mahabharata. In this captivating video, we will unlock the profound life lessons hidden within its verses and discover how these ancient teachings hold the power to transform our lives today. Let's begin. 1. The importance of Dharma. The Mahabharata, an extraordinary tale of valor and righteousness, unveils the timeless importance of Dharma, adhering to one's duty and righteousness. Discover how following the path of righteousness can lead to a just and harmonious society, resonating with the core values that shape our lives. 2. The power of choices. As we immerse ourselves in the epic, we encounter the far-reaching consequences of choices, both big and small. Uncover how our decisions can shape our destinies and impact the lives of those around us, reinforcing the profound power of our everyday choices. 3. The complexity of human nature. Join us as we journey through the depth of human emotions, exploring the flaws and strengths that make us uniquely human. Witness the relatable and captivating characters of the Mahabharata, reminding us that each individual embodies a spectrum of complexities. 4. The value of forgiveness. Prepare to be moved as we witness the healing power of forgiveness. Learn how the Mahabharata illustrates the significance of letting go and embracing forgiveness to find peace within ourselves and foster harmony in our relationships. 5. The importance of unity. Discover the strength that lies in unity as the Mahabharata showcases the power of collective effort. Witness how overcoming personal differences and joining forces can conquer any adversity, inspiring us to forge stronger bonds in our communities. 6. Lessons in leadership. As we explore the epic's narrative, we gain valuable insights into leadership styles and the impact of leadership decisions. Unravel the qualities of a just and wise leader and learn from the consequences of poor leadership choices. 7. The role of women in the Mahabharata. We encounter fierce and influential female characters who challenge societal norms. Experience the empowerment and contribution of women to shape society, inspiring us to celebrate and support women's roles in every aspect of life. 8. The teachings of Bhagavad Gita. Dive deep into the profound teachings of the Bhagavad Gita, an integral part of the Mahabharata. Witness the philosophical wisdom it imparts on life, duty, and the nature of the self, guiding us to live a purposeful and fulfilling existence. 9. The battle between good and evil. As the Mahabharata unravels, we confront the eternal struggle between good and evil. Reflect on how this struggle exists not only in the world around us, but also within ourselves. Be inspired to choose the path of righteousness and stand up against injustice. 10. The cycle of life and death. Embark on a contemplative journey as we ponder the cycle of life and death presented in the Mahabharata. Uncover the deeper meaning of life, the impermanence of worldly possessions, and the profound concept of rebirth. As we conclude our enlightening exploration of the Mahabharata, we hope you have gained invaluable insights into life, morality, and human behavior. Let these ancient teachings inspire your personal growth and transform the way you perceive the world around you. Remember, the wisdom of the Mahabharata transcends time, and its lessons continue to hold relevance in our lives today. So don't miss the chance to unlock this treasure trove of knowledge and embark on your own journey towards a more enlightened existence. Subscribe now to our channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future explorations of ancient wisdom and contemporary insights. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video.